Oh man, what a beautiful day. Man, I got bad news. I got kidnapped 2 bluebirds with plankton. Now everybody's away mad with me. Now I'm bad Piggy. Oh my god, I lost my best friend Plankton. I don't know where she at. What's over there? There's a card for Bad Piggy game. That's right. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Wow. Look at that. Let's drive. Oh man, that's a move. I'm gonna buy the store. I'm going to the store. Okay. Here you go, sir. Here's some headphone. Here's some pen. Thank you so much, sir. Woohoo! I'm gonna listen to music. Let's go. Hello, welcome to the store. May I help you, sir? Okay. How do I get that van and Ferris wheel? Shortcut, I'm gonna it up. Here we go. Here's van and Ferris wheel. Here's some money, sir. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Wow, I remember that guy. Yes, I finally got it. I got my fans and Ferris wheel. Now, let's go. Let's get started. Let's get to work. Yes, I finished. I built all the time machine. Yes, time machine. That's what. See it moves. Ooh, amazing. Oh, I'm about to crash down. Oh my gosh. Oh, car's over there, okay. I'm going like I do. I'm going to kidnap bluebirds. Just like kidnap 2 bluebirds last Sunday. Oh, good morning, bluebirds. Good morning, Red. How's it going? Oh, it's great. Well, I'm sorry I saved you. You kidnapped me. I'm sorry to bluebird. That's alright. Because I saved you both. Stop keeping Plankton. Yes, I know. Let's go, Tony. Let's go. Woohoo. Hello. Let me take the order. Yeah, can I get hamburger, fries, 2 drinks? Sure. No, I want it back. Here you go. These are food. Thank you. Oh, I don't need those. Man, that's just my food. Are you finished? Yes, I'm finished. Yes, I'm finished. Come on, let's go. Yes, let's go. We gotta do something else. Go play outside, play games, draw a picture, and go do something fun. Play the block. Okay, thank you. Man, I'm going to take a shower. Oh man, that is a shower. Woohoo. I'm soaping. Woohoo. I'm listening. Okay. Well, we're gonna be out over there. There's a red bird taking a shower. I'm gonna take it to the kitchen. Let's go get him. Man, just finished the shower. Let's just say, oh, red bird. Who said that? I'm over here. Kingpin, not you again. What on earth are you doing? I hear you. I go and kidnap you. You go kidnap me? You, Kingpin. I remember you. You kidnapped you and Plankton. You kidnapped for 2 bluebirds. That's what you did. Yes, I did. And last Sunday, I got taking you. Hey, let go of me. No way. Kingpin, what's your problem? What's your problem, dude? I'll take it to the kitchen. No! Please don't take it. Like, yes, you are. You're big friends. Man, that's fun. Yes, I know. Let's go inside. Redbird, I'm back. Huh? Redbird? Where are you, Redbird? Oh no, Redbird is missing. Yes, I know. Oh no, Redbird's missing. Oh my god. Oh no, sorry, Kidnap. Wait a minute, I know he's dead. Is Kidnap kidnapped Redbird? He dead? Yes, I did. Redbird is in trouble. We'll save him. Come on, let's go. Oh, Kidnap, where are you taking it to? All the way to up. No, down here. You loser. Go! What is your problem? You shut up. How dare you, King Pig? You kicked out of me. That's so you. King Pig, you and Planky, you kidnapped 2 bluebirds last Sunday. I don't care. I gotta go. Wait, come back. I'm gonna get you. Mind your business, Redbird. Oh no, something saved me. Hang out, Red. We're coming, Red. Oh man, how do we get out of here? Redbird, bluebirds, what are you doing here? Because I'm saving you. Come on, let's get you out of here. Come on. Hang on, Red. We're coming. Hold still. Haha, we did it. Take it, bluebirds. You see me? Yes. Well. This is 2 bluebirds. King Pig, how woo! What the earth are you doing? Why you have this car? Because why you have this? Oh, this mine. A fan Ferris wheel. I buy it in the store. You buy in the store? King Pig, how will you kidnap me and bluebirds and okay. King Pig, you and Plaintain, you kidnapped me and bluebirds and last Sunday. Yeah, how rude, hey? Oh, watch it. Come on, let's go get him. Ow. Oh, stop it! Stop! Time to throw your slingshot. Wow. We did it, guys. We stopped him. Let's go home. Woohoo. Huh. You okay, Red? Yes, I'm okay. Well, we did it. We stopped King Pig. Thank you so much, saying bluebirds. You're welcome. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go. Well, we're back home. Woohoo! We're here. So, bluebird, go play outside. Do something else. You go! Come on, let's go! Woohoo! Yeah!